Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're taking a look at Windstream, found at www.windstream.com. Windstream is a telecommunications company providing internet, phone, and television services, primarily to rural communities across the United States. Navigating their website, you can explore the various bundles and services they offer, tailored for both homes and businesses. Potential customers can input their address to check service availability in their area, a crucial first step in determining whether Windstream is a viable option. The website also features support resources, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information, should you require assistance. For businesses, Windstream offers a dedicated section outlining specialized solutions for networking, cloud services, and other enterprise-level needs. They highlight their kinetic internet service, promising high-speed connections crucial for modern digital demands. While the website offers a comprehensive overview of their offerings, potential customers should thoroughly research and compare plans to ensure they select the best fit for their specific requirements and budget. Considering factors like data caps, contract lengths, and customer service reputation is vital before committing to a service provider. Windstream positions itself as a connectivity solution for underserved areas, aiming to bridge the digital divide and bring high-speed internet access to more communities. Understanding their service area and the specific technologies they utilize in your region is crucial for managing expectations regarding performance and reliability. Further research into customer reviews and independent speed tests can provide valuable insights into real-world experiences with Windstream's services. The website serves as an introductory point, offering a glimpse into their services, but deeper investigation is always recommended before making a final decision.